Alright, for this week's short video of the week, I'm going to focus on the relaxation technique of meditation. I meditate every day, and I find it almost every day, and I find it very helpful for a sense of overall calmness and well-being. To meditate, you don't have to have a particular posture. It does help if you have a quiet space. That's how I prefer to meditate. Some people like to use music, but I just prefer silence usually. You don't have to sit in any particular special pose, like you've seen the lotus pose, obviously, with legs crossed and hands crossed. You don't have to do any of that. You just have to do whatever's comfortable for you. Personally, I like to sit up against a flat wall because I have shoulder issues with my right shoulder, so it's uncomfortable for me to sit upright without some type of support. You can also, a lot of people like to lay down to meditate. That's another great way to do it. However, if you're prone to falling asleep, you might not have a great meditation, but you might have a nice little nap, which is okay too. Any time of day works, whether that's morning, midday, or afternoon, whatever you feel is best. I prefer afternoons. After the majority of my work's done, just bring me back in alignment, bring me back to center. I simply have a cushion that I sit on with my back flat up against the wall. I close my eyes and I focus on my breath. A lot of people like to focus on the center of the nose, the actual sensation of the air coming in and out of the body. I prefer to focus up here with my eyes closed, the third eye area. Seems to be my general focus point. And as far as length of time, how long to meditate, that's going to be up to you, whatever you feel is best, or however much you can allot. If you only have 5 or 10 minutes, that's certainly better than no time. My typical meditation is anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. As I'm focusing on the breath, I just try to become aware of my thoughts. I don't do any type of specific meditation with mantras or a guided meditation. Those are all fine, and those are great things to do if you want, but I'm just covering my basic how I meditate. So I just focus on my breath, focus on the center point between my two eyes, and then I just try to become more aware of my thoughts. You know, we all have that constant voice chattering in the mind, our thoughts telling us this or telling us that, what we need to do, what we need to get at the grocery store, whatever's coming up, or what happened yesterday. So I really try to tune in, become aware of that, and just let the thoughts just float by my mind instead of being in the first person where they're constantly right there and I feel as though I have to act them out. There's some type of separation there that you can access, or at least I'm able to. And I don't try to control them. That seems pretty difficult. I just simply observe them. I let them go by without any type of attachment to them, good or bad. Just try to become aware. So yeah, that's about it. I just sit there for 10 to 20 minutes and essentially clear my mind by trying to get behind my thoughts and let the thoughts pass by. At the end, I usually know when I'm done because I just have this real calm sense of well-being. And I'm finished, and I get up and go about doing my task, and I felt like I just woke up in the morning. It's that type of refreshed, recharged, ready to go energy, which is excellent. If you're ready to do something else, you can meditate beforehand if you want to clear your mind before you go into it. So that's it for this week. Just my personal meditation technique I wanted to share with you guys. If you have any excellent ideas for a relaxation video, either a 10-hour long ambient video or a shorter relaxation technique video like this one, comment down below and let me know. Thanks guys. Sleep well.